How to install missing driver on Windows 10. Thank you for watching our video. If you are using Windows 10 or 11, the easiest way is to use your setting update. Open your setting, choose Update and Security. In Windows Update tab, check for update. If your system has a missing driver, you can update your driver in this tab. And there is an optional update. You can check each update you want and then click on download and install. If you are using an old version of the Windows or you couldn't update that driver from your Windows update, you can use Driver Pack Solution website. In this method, you should download the installer from the official website. After the installation is complete, open the program. On the bottom of the page, choose Open Expert Mode. On the Drivers tab, you can choose the drivers you want to update. But note that in Software tab, disable the applications which are checked because they are not original application and may hurt your system. Then press on Install All and that's finished. This application works on all versions of the Windows and you can use it easily. Thank you for watching our video.